Hey guys, Tim Cray here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I got a quick tip for you guys. Anybody that has them bullhorns or ladder stabilizers, the ends tend to wear out or fall off. I looked all over for replacement ends on them, and I found a pretty good replacement end that works pretty well. So let me show you guys these ends I just picked up on Amazon. All right, guys, here's the ladder stabilizer ends that I ordered in from Amazon. Looks like they're called Bullhorn ladder stabilizer bumpers. These things are pretty good. You can see how thick they are. You can kind of see what I got going on here. I just put this one on real quick and wanted to see how tight it was, and it actually fit on there pretty tight. You go on over to this one here, and it's it's pretty rinky dink. I could probably just pull it right off. So there's a piece from the end of the deal there, but yeah, when you compare these side by side, I mean, it's a huge difference. You can see the thickness there. So if you guys are like me and you've lost one or you've ripped one and one's wore out and you're looking for some good replacements, check these out. Pretty impressed with them so far. Haven't used them on the job, just took them out of the box, but just looking at them and feeling how stable they are and how they fit, I think they're gonna work out pretty well. This stabilizer is just a Warner ladder stabilizer, so they should fit your Warner ladder stabilizer pretty well. I think they're all pretty standard size. But all right, guys, hope this helps. Have a great day.